first half in which Green Bay, in the first quarter and a half, looked absolutely unstoppable. Chicago could do next to nothing. Fourth quarter player of the game, Crystal Jones.
Jeffrey, do you snore?
Brian Urlacher will play as well. Hughes, as did Phillips.
Oh yeah, get it. So he says, get it good. So he gives himself.
Alright, wake him up.
No, bro.